Hello, I'm David Coe. SMAs, or separately managed accounts, are the exciting new way of investing in professionally managed share portfolios. Today we're talking with Simon Burge of Above the Index Asset Management, one of the investment managers on OneView's menu of investment mandates. Simon, how did you cope emotionally with the global financial crisis?
I think the GFC was without doubt one of the most emotional periods that I've probably worked through in my 20 years of being in this industry. This certainly led to a lot of doubt and fear and coming every day and wondering whether you can get back up and do it all again. However, the GFC, I guess for ATI, in particular our company, ended up being a good period because we actually won money over that period, David. So whilst it was difficult, we actually grew the business through that, and now we're looking forward obviously to a return of some, I wouldn't say halcyon, but some better years.
Did SMAs help your clients through the crisis?
Well, at ATI we have clients in a range of products, including SMAs. So one of the advantages of SMAs, David, of course, is the tax advantage, of course, of not grandfathering gains. And I think it's fair to say during the GFC there was a lot of losses. So perhaps one of the advantages for clients of being able to offset some of their gains wasn't so important. However, the structure itself, I think, and the portfolios we managed hopefully did help the clients through that GFC period.
What is the difference between managing an SMA and a unit trust?
From the point of view of a manager, David, there's no difference because we basically provide a portfolio target set and they get implemented. The differences can be with unit trusts, it's more of a daily cash flow basis for implementation, whereas in SMAs, in the case of OneView, it's normally about twice a month. So it's mainly an implementation decision, David, it's different, but generally the target set and the portfolio should generally mirror each other.
Why are you interested in managing SMAs?
Well, we like to make sure we have a foot in all areas of growth in the industry, and SMAs are certainly an area that over the last 5 years that we've been involved have been taking off. And it's just another way that we can give our product offering to clients through that structure, and indeed SMAs is a very viable scheme for us.
What do you see as your competitive advantage?
I think the competitive advantage we have at ATI is our investment process, and we focus on the nearer term earnings, David. So the way we like to look at things at ATI is we like to look ahead, but not too far ahead. I think that's probably our competitive advantage.
What trends in SMAs do you see developing?
I think the most recent trends I've seen in SMAs, David, revolve around the menus. The product suite offerings were quite large and diverse, and I think we're definitely seeing a culling of those over the last year or so. And I think that will continue going forward, where the SMAs will have a more select product offering. So indeed, ATI hopes it will be one of those product offerings on SMAs going forward.
Thank you.
Thank you, David.